Okay, so I'm gonna do some testing on my new BlackOak LED pod light on my 2015 F800GS. Okay, so it's a little bit of traffic. So engine on. This is the stock low beam. I've installed the Cyclops LED bulb in both the low and high beam. So you can see the low beam, high beam, low beam, high beam. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on a pair of BlackOak 2-inch pod lights with a float lighting pattern. Okay, lighting on. Off. On. Off. On. You can see that the BlackOak has a very visible lighting color. I am guessing it is maybe a little bit below 6000 K. Okay, I'm gonna drive a little bit so you can see the difference. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off, on. So low beam, high beam, BlackOak float 2-inch pod lights on, one pair. Okay, so now I'm gonna turn on another pair of BlackOak 2-inch light with a spot beam pattern on. On, off, on, off. I will turn off the float pair too. So now I'm running on only stock high beam. So low beam, high beam, BlackOak spot on. Again, you can see here that the BlackOak pod lights has a very nice color. You can see very well. It's really dark out there. Normally you can't see much. You can see so much things, and you can see that the signs, the traffic signs are very visible from about 100 meters ahead. Okay, it's off. On again. See the coming traffic. He noticed that I'm using some lights. Okay, let me give him signals. Okay, yeah, he noticed. Yeah, it must be very visible from the distance. Okay, see. Okay, again. Now this is a big difference. A low beam and high beam with BlackOak. All right. So now for the reference, I have a very good pair of Cyclops Extreme Long Range LED light. So I'm gonna switch this on. I have this wire to the high beam. So this is a low beam. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the coming traffic to pass by. So high beam with the Cyclops Extreme LED long range light. Note that these lights from Cyclops, they have a very narrow beam pattern with lighting beam of about 10 degrees. If you notice the trees up ahead, they are about 120 meters, I guess. Okay, let me turn this off. Yeah, look how visible they become. Off, on, off, on. So now to compare the spot BlackOak to the long range, I'm gonna turn on the BlackOak first. Okay, let all the traffic pass by. Okay, the BlackOak on. You see, it's a very nice driving light. It's very visible, the road and all the things alongside the road is very visible. But the trees, look at the trees from the 120 meters or about that range ahead, they are not very visible. And now when I turn on the Cyclops lights on, wow, it's much better. So the on the long range, the Cyclops can still overlight the BlackOak, but on about let me guess, about 50 to 100 meters. The BlackOak is just really nice. It gives a very nice light, very visible light to drive. The Cyclops, in my opinion, is a little bit too cold. Okay, so I'm driving on all lights now. Yeah, it's very nice. Look, wow. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. See you again. By the way, I'm gonna have a lot of night driving in the mountain of Vietnam in about few days. So I hope to get you more reviews, more videos from the actual driving in the mountain. This is not mountain. This is just some night driving for testing. Or you can see from there. Yeah, this is very nice. It's actually a very nice place to test. Let me test this again. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is perfect. Look at when I turn off the Cyclops light. Okay, off, on, off, on, off, on. Yeah, okay. Let me start again. Where's the switch? Yeah, I didn't secure the switch yet because I'm only at testing now. Okay, so there's a lot of buttons. So again, from the beginning: low light, low beam light, stock light, high beam stock, low beam stock, high beam, a pair of port lights, BlackOak 2-inch, off, on, off, and now a pair of spot beam BlackOak 2-inch spotlight, on, off, on. It's a very nice. It's very nice to see. I don't know how it is on a video, but on the real, it's just fantastic to look at this. It's very visible. You can actually see what's over there. Okay, off. So now the Cyclops, for reference, I think I might have them at a very too. Yeah. Okay. I see. Okay. I'm having them at too narrow pattern. Yeah, like I said, I'm testing them right now. Okay. Now you guy knows what's going on. Thank you, and hope to see you again soon. Bye.